simplify x minus 3 times the quantity x minus 2. This one ends up being a little bit more complicated because this 3 is being subtracted from x instead of being added to x. Because this 3 is getting subtracted and everything is getting multiplied by that 3, this negative needs to be distributed along with the 3. So whenever there is a negative number in front of the parentheses, the negative gets distributed as part of the number. So when we look at this, the x stays out front, and then negative 3 times x gives us negative 3x, and then negative 3 times negative 2 becomes positive 6, because a negative times a negative is a positive. Now that we've gotten rid of the grouping symbols, we can combine like terms. X minus 3x is the same as 1x minus 3x, which is negative 2x, and so we have negative 2x plus 6. A little bit of explanation as far as why as the subtraction gets distributed as well. If we have x minus 3 times x minus 2, this is the same as x plus negative 3 times x minus 2. And if we write it like this, it might be a little bit more clear why that negative needs to get distributed to both of the terms. Either way, if you go through the trouble of writing this as x plus negative 3, or if you just remember that the subtraction gets distributed as well, you should end up with the same final answer. In this case, negative 2x plus 6.